In question 6, we're given two decimal numbers and we need to add them together. So this symbol here, you'll hear the word add, sum, more than. So let me write this number here and explain it a little bit. This here is the decimal point. And this column to the left is the ones column. Now from the decimal point, if you go right, this column here is the tenths column. So I'm going to use a little t. Let me write that down, tenths. And you can write it as 1 over 10 or 1/10. And then the next column is the hundredths. So I'm going to write a little h, hundredths. And you can write that as 1 over 100. And finally, the third column, we can write it as thousandths. So I'll write a small t and a h. So let me write that here, thousandths. And we can write that as 1 over 1000. Now we need to add these two numbers together, but we have to be careful because we only have 1, 2 decimal places, but on this number we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So let me write that down, 5.87. Now let me just point out, after the decimal point, don't say 5.87. It's better to say 5.87. Same thing with this, 3.123. Try not to say 3.123. We need to add these. Now what I can do to help myself, I can put a 0 here just as a placeholder. Now let's do this. 0 add 3 is 3. 7 add 2 is 9. 8 add 1 is 9. Now I've got to be careful. I'm going to line this decimal point up. And 5 add 3 is 8. So our answer is 8.993.